Introduction. Hello and welcome to today's video on the topic of average math in business. In this video, we'll explore the concept of averages in business and how they can be used to make informed decisions. What is an average? Let's start by defining what we mean by an average. An average is a mathematical value that represents a group of numbers. The most commonly used types of averages are the mean, median, and mode. Mean. The mean is the most commonly used type of average in business. It is calculated by adding up all the values in a group and then dividing by the total number of values. For example, if we want to calculate the average sales of a business for a month, we would add up the sales for each day and then divide by the number of days in the month. Median. The median is the middle value in a group of numbers. To find the median, we need to arrange the values in order from smallest to largest, and then identify the middle value. If there are an even number of values, we take the average of the two middle values. Mode. The mode is the value that appears most frequently in a group of numbers. If there are multiple values that appear with the same frequency, then the group has multiple modes. Why are averages important in business? Averages are important in business because they can provide a clear picture of the performance of a company. For example, the average sales for a particular period can help a company identify trends and make decisions about inventory, marketing, and staffing. Averages can also be used to compare the performance of different companies in the same industry. By comparing the average revenue, profit margins, and other metrics, companies can identify areas where they can improve their performance and gain a competitive advantage. Conclusion. In conclusion, understanding averages is essential in making informed decisions in business. The mean, median, and mode are the most commonly used types of averages, and they can provide valuable insights into the performance of a company. By using averages, companies can make more informed decisions, improve their performance, and gain a competitive advantage in their industry.